The nice thing is that flexibility means you can set it up however best suits you. Crystal Bridges is incredibly unique. It's honestly unlike any museum I've been to before. My name is Stephanie McKenna. I'm the Assistant Manager for Protection Services here at Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art. Life before Limble just kind of felt like we were always playing catch up, and we were never able to be on top of things or even ahead of things.
When I got here almost 2 years ago, there was no maintenance program of any kind. There's no records or anything like that.
Previously, they were stopping them in the hallways, they were calling them on their cell phones, they were texting, they were sending emails. I mean, information was just being flooded to our teams from all directions with no organization whatsoever.
Before we had Limble, we got work orders, word of mouth. It was just always coming in from all different directions.
Knowing that we needed to kind of up our game and to be a lot more efficient with all of our teams and kind of make everybody's life a lot easier, we're really glad that Limble's a part of that system now. They were able to see the value very quickly, and I think that helped give them buy-in into the system to when they started to implement it for themselves and to see the ease at which they can track and update and communicate. It kind of just took off from there.
Once I got a starting point and learned where to start and how to build from there, within just a few, learning sessions and stuff, I was able to take off and totally expand it.
Being a little bit more budget-minded, it is really incredible to see where we're using our time, where we're using our budgets and our resources and our funds, and then having all that data that we really had no way of gathering before, being able to utilize that in our budget planning and our meetings and our requests for more staff, more resources, and even just being able to better project what our projects are going to cost as far as their budget and their scope. So it's given our teams a lot more tools to actually be more useful than we already were to the other departments across the museum.
It keeps us on task and on track, and we've got something that we can physically go to and see so that we don't schedule things on top of each other. And also another good thing we found is we have made checklists for all this preventive maintenance, so we can make sure that when the contractors are in here doing the maintenance, they can make sure they don't miss anything and make sure that they keep our building operating as designed.
If you're using spreadsheets, if you're using pen and paper, if you're spread out across a whole bunch of different departments, this is exactly what you need to try.